Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose the preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So I'm super excited about this. Last month I joined Kieshas card kit and I fell in love. So I did a 3-month subscription to her. I will put her channel in the description box below. But today we received this month's, and I kind of just wanted to show you what was inside. Super excited for this. This is September's card kit. So there's two ways you can do this. You can do the minimum card kit or the extras. I forget how she explained it, but I got the one that I got like the extra stuff that goes with it for 3 months, and so yeah, and I'll kind of show you what the minimum one would be. So the minimum one would be just this bag and just the card right here. Look how I'm so excited for this one. This one's absolutely gorgeous. So that one is $4 I think shipped, and then this one is $8.50 shipped with the extras inside. So she always sends a little note that says, "Thanks for joining the card kit for this month. Have fun creating. Kiesha, you name it, I create it." So we're gonna go ahead. So we got the bag with the card, which is absolutely stunning. I am so excited for this one. And then you get some lace, which is like a lavender color. My least favorite of this would be the tulle, which is a lavender color. You get this lavender color piece of cardstock. I know it's showing up gray on here. I don't know why, but it's like a really light lavender. This absolutely beautiful feather that is kind of like a tannish pink color. And then she has a little baggie full of some more extra goodies. We'll go ahead and get in here and see what's all in here. So we have this beautiful trim. I think it's elastic. Yeah, it's elastic trim, and it's in like a tan color, like the feather. Let's see here. I'm trying not to spill anything. We have this beautiful white paper flower. Sorry about my nails. I really need to go to the salon and get them done. Just haven't had time. 2 darkish purple marble-y effect buttons, a large and a medium. Let's see, there's a couple more things in here. That's so funny because I have those flowers that she put in here. We have a pink and a silver bling, and then 2 purple flowers, and it's like I said, it's funny, I have those in different colors. So that is what was in this kit, and hopefully I'll be able to do another process video with you guys. I did find out more things about this and what we're allowed to do. We're allowed to add extras to it. We don't have to use everything that's in here, which I tend to like to do, is use everything that's in here. I think that's the purpose of this kit, so why not use everything? But like I said, we're allowed to add to it, so I'm going to be doing that probably this time around. I think this is an absolutely beautiful kit, and I cannot wait to play with it. So I will see you guys more with this when I make the process video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, I will leave Kiesha's channel in the description box below, so that if you want to join this, you can get in touch with her and she can hook you up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, and I will see you next video. Bye.